Okay, here we have the Meta Quest 2 Oculus VR headset, and it comes with 2 handheld controllers. And it also comes with, does it come with any games too?
No, but those are the best games on the Oculus right now.
This is pretty much the best VR system. I mean, my son has one. Now my daughter is getting one. It's absolutely comfortable, easy to install, easy to use, and
People with glasses can use it by...
I mean, it's just amazing. This is a really, really phenomenal VR headset. And it's got this great padding on the inside, and it's fully immersive. That's the key, is once you put this on your head, it is literally fully immersive and you are in the game. The controllers are super easy to handle. I mean, Sammy, how obsessed are you with your MetaQuest VR Oculus?
I play it every day.
He plays it every single day. You can do online.
Yeah,
You can hang out with your friends. You can play with other people. There's multiple different types of games that you can set up with it. It's wireless. You don't have to connect anything. Highly recommend. This would be, not only would this make somebody, an adult, have fun and just enter the metaverse and the world of VR, but if you have any kids, this is the ultimate
And that's the charger. There's a charger.
gift for any kid. And what are the ages usually, babe?
Like 13 and 10.
It's
7 to 15 or something like that? Or even older? I mean,
recommends-
adults play with it, right?
Yeah,
it recommends 13 and up.
30
13 and up. Okay, perfect.
30-year-olds.
Meta Quest 2. Ladies and gentlemen, highly recommend.